Next, you want to have some kind of way you could track it, right? Like your Experian business. So you want to see, you want to be able to track your credit score, your business credit score, your history, right? Now, and also you want to make sure you get your DUNS number too. That's another one. I ain't mentioned DUNS, but you got to make sure you get a DUNS number. Dun and Bradstreet. It's free. When you first go on there, I think they're gonna try to charge you like $1,500 or something. Like, it's gonna be people on there trying to charge you like $1,500, but you don't need to pay nothing. It's free. You got to get your DUNS. Like I said, the good thing about it is that your business loans do not report to your credit. I think that's the best. That's probably the only reason why people going out getting business, right? Business funding.